In this video, we're going to teach you a freelance job that's going to earn you $1,000 to $3,000. This job is called scoping or editing court files. Scoping is related to transcription, but the focus is on editing the transcripts. A court reporter writes the transcript, and the scopist edits it. The skills you need as a scopist are very similar to the skills necessary if you are a transcriptionist, which are excellent grammar, punctuation, word usage and vocabulary. If you're already a transcriber or a proofreader, you might also be interested in this freelance gig. It's a gig that you can also do wherever you are in the world. Plus, it's a work-from-home job that pays well. Unlike transcription, scoping is a home-based job that is still not very well known. However, if you take a closer look online, scoping has a steady demand. Therefore, it's another great addition to your skill set. So watch until the end of this video, and we'll cover the following topics. What does a scopist do? What are the requirements to become a scopist? How much can you earn as a freelance scopist? Where can you learn how to become a scopist? Where can you apply as a scopist? Before we continue, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our videos. Also, don't forget to get access to our free e-course, where you'll learn the strategies that seasoned freelancers use to get high-paying clients. We'll leave the link in the description below. What does a scopist do? A court reporter attends court proceedings and transcribes everything that is said into written text using stenotype machines, or voice mask equipment. A scopist receives the raw copy of the transcript after the proceeding, checks the transcript and edits it. Meaning, a scopist's job is to look for missing words or mistakes, correct grammar and punctuation. A scopist also makes sure that technical terms and proper names are spelled correctly, and properly formats the transcript, before returning it back to the court reporter. What are the requirements to become a scopist? You don't have to be a lawyer, a paralegal, or anything related to become a scopist. You also don't need any certification to be hired as a scopist. However, the skills you need are similar to that of a transcriber or a proofreader. You work on your own, so be very mindful about meeting deadlines. Scopists have to have excellent vocabulary, grammar, punctuation, and research skills. They also need to have good knowledge of legal terminology, medical terminology, and transcript production. So if you're a voracious reader, a knowledge seeker, and an adept user of technology, scoping can be a great fit for you. The software used by scopists are Case Catalyst, StenoCat, and DigitalCat, among others. How much can you earn as a freelance scopist? The rates vary. You can earn from $1.25 to $2 per page. It all depends on how easy the project is, your accuracy, your speed, and experience. You can also charge more for short turnaround time. On average, a regular scopist finishes 23 pages in an hour. So based on that, scopists make around $1,000 to $2,000 a month working around 3 hours per day. As you gain more experience, you become faster at it, then you can make up to $3,000 or more per month. Where can you learn how to become a scopist? You can go to scopeschool.com. They offer a free mini course on scoping. You can sign up for free, and there you will learn a few things like what is scoping. What does a scopist do? How big is the demand for scopists? What skills does a scopist need? How to market your skills and find clients? And much more. So visit their website. Again, it's called scopeschool.com. We'll leave the link in the description below. Where can you apply as a scopist? You can go to scopists.com and you can search for employment there. We'll leave a link in the description below. Another website where you can find scoping jobs is stenosearch.com. Again, we'll leave the link below.